Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the progressive dialer with the Smart Queue. To begin, let's go into the Smart Queue and launch the phone. Let me test to make sure the phone is working by calling myself. It is ringing, so we know that the phone is in working order. The next thing we want to do is establish click to call. This needs to be turned on. This only needs to be done once. Once it is turned on, it is on forever. Now we will set up progressive dialing. Progressive dialing allows a delay so that LeadMaster can update the record, get to the next record, and then dial the phone. We will do this through the settings. We have our delay set for 15 seconds. Let's go ahead and make our first call. While this is dialing, we will go ahead and set this to progressive. The call is in progress. Say we receive a voicemail message informing us that the call recipient is away. We can click PAM, which stands for Personal Automated Message, so that we can go on to the next call. Because of progressive dialing, we can update this record. We can see here that the record has been updated. The next phone number right here is now dialing. Let's say we have another voicemail and PAM this one. Update the record and click Next Lead. The record has been updated with a call attempt. It is advancing to the next record. Here is the phone number on the next record. So after a few seconds, it will begin dialing. Once you get the hang of this, you can reduce the amount of time in the delay that you have set up. Now let's say we are on the phone with someone and are taking notes. We will hang up the phone, we won't PAM them, and we will take more notes. With progressive, you have as much time as you want. It doesn't do the next phone until you click the next lead. We can make these activities here mandatory if we want to. For example, make contact. We can leave a summary here. This will create a call record. We will click Next Lead. It will load the next phone number, but we'll wait until 15 seconds has passed for the update. Then it will dial. Now that the phone call is in progress, we can use additional quick actions, take additional notes, and when we are ready to move on to the next record, we can click Next Lead. It will hang up the phone and dial the next record. This concludes the tutorial on the progressive dialer. Thanks for watching.